Hi! In front of me is REALME C21Y, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by accessing Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing Magic Fluids. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Over here select Settings and click on I accept in this pop-up. In those settings you can adjust your wallpaper however you want to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. But this time select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Apply to Home and Lock Screens and tap on Home button. As you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!